We have a daring one.
Alright, come check it out.
They're so scared. Oh my goodness.
Y'all are silly chickens.
Come on.
Let them discover it themselves.
Yep. Oh my god, you guys.
I've never seen one before.
It's so red. You're so silly.
It didn't bite back.
Because the buff Orpingtons are always the first to investigate things. Is that tasty? Do you like it?
It would go nice with a little gray poop horn.
Oh, now we're gaining confidence. Because she's not dead yet from the tomato. So maybe it's okay.
It moved.
I love you guys. What's up, Maui? Maui's just chilling. Here. I want y'all to come out here. So the scary tomato's gonna go over here. They're like pressed right up against each other. See, look, it's food. It's plant. Okay, you can't eat that. That's...
What do you think, Daisy?
Oh, she seems to like it.
Figured you guys would like it.
What are y'all doing over there? Like, I feel like Daisy does like it. She's just still a little uncertain. Mm-hmm. She's eating it. She's not spitting it out. Mm-hmm. If they don't like something, they just spit it out.
Good, Daisy?
You're so silly. And that's not the mealworm back, you stinky birds. Well, no, 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 no. Oh, Muffy's kind of digging into it now.
Yeah.
You like that? But, do you see what I'm talking about with the feathers on, Wheatley's head? The little streamers?
Yeah.
And, Maui doesn't have them. I'm glad that we got a male and a female because that's what I want. Like, no more than one male.
Hard time telling Winter from Cornelia.
It's gotten a lot harder.
I think that's still Winter.
I can tell by their temperament. Yeah, that's that's Cornelia.
Which one?
That one. Cornelia's really like frantic. Winter's a little calmer, and she's also very aggressive with the bags. Yeah. It's not mealworms though. I'm sorry.
Kind of interesting to see how Daisy's comb's growing out.
It's so crazy, like.
I'm the first one getting a comb.
The Brahma's combs are coming in, but they have what's called a pea comb, so they're like really small, which helps them not get frostbite, basically. Oh my goodness. Okay. What if the bag starts fighting back, huh? Then what are you gonna do? But I think Winter has like a thicker beak than Cornelia, if I'm not mistaken. But it is really, it's hard to tell them apart nowadays. Why are you so violent? Huh? Okay.
Pull the label off of something.
What is that?
What
Wow!
was that, Daisy? Oh, Daisy saw it, wanted it.
She pushed Muffy out of the way. Hey, that's not food. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Hey. Hey. Come here. No. Oh my god. Did you drop it? Oh, yes, I did. No, 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 no. That's mine. That's mine now. It's mine now. I'm sorry.
Everybody's going after the grit.
Yeah, because they haven't had any. I mean, they don't need it when they just have their regular food, but since they're eating tomato now, they need some. Why are you like this every time lately? You're so messy.
You're gonna spill it.
He does a lot of
bury it.
Yeah.
See how long it takes you to spill that.
Maybe a couple days if we're lucky. You messy birds. Well, I'm glad you like the tomato and you're not afraid of it anymore.